on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? We are here talking about the best way to buy stocks and the best way to buy stocks on a dip. Now, in today's video, I am live, but I normally would do the screen recording, but not today. Not today. So, the first thing that you would like, that I would advise y'all to do is go to stockcharts.com. And that's one of the best ways to, start to identify to start identify what you about to be getting into. I guess that's the wrong word. I would suggest that's the best way if you want to start analyzing how to buy your stock. Somebody up in here, to make sure I get that live chat going on. What's going on? So on stock charts, it's allowing you to look up any stock that's available to see their moving average. There's other indicators in there as well, but we're gonna be starting from our Webull stock. So I'm gonna be going down the line. When's the perfect time to buy that stock and things like that. So let me go in and pull up my Webull account. So we have XL. I'm gonna put this on here. So we got XL, which is XL Fleet. So right now, that was the wrong thing. Looking for a paper towel. XL. So we got ticker. That's what I was writing. XL. And right now that closed at what did it close at? It closed at $7.18. $7.15. That's too far. That's a little bit too far. So we're gonna put that right there. $7.15. $7.15. What's next? Chronos. CRON. That closed at 826. Oh boy. I gotta get right, huh? Got next. $2.34. Got Super League Gaming. $5.08. SLGG. Got AGM. $2.11. GTT. Well, we're gonna focus on these, and then we're gonna do the RICS. $1.72. Okay, so we got 6 stocks right here. That's from my Webull account, and we just about to be going to stock charts to be identifying what is the 20-day moving average or the 50-day moving average. So let's just put in the first one right now. XL. So right now, it's on its way from the bottom. It's pretty much declining. but its moving average is the highest high in 200. Moving average is $13.01. So right now we are buying this stock very early and identifying it real good as everything that crossed over it went down. And now the best thing that we can do is we just wait. Let the stock do what it needs to do, come down, do everything like that. So I'm going to go by in the next 50 days, the moving average will be $11.01. So we're going to go by the 50-day moving average. But the magic number is 72. So we're going to see what the 72 moving average is. And that's a very good price point to start looking at stocks. Simple moving average, 72. So on the 72-day moving average, it's about $13.79. So with this stock, that's all in my way. So let's move that out. Let's move that out my way. What I say? I said 50 moving average, 72 moving average. So a 50 moving average is going to be $11.01. And a 72 moving average is going to be $13.79. So with XL Fleet, in 50 days it's going to reach $11, and the average is normally around $11.01. That's if I want to take my profits then, I can, or I can wait for 72 days and take my profits at $13.79. But 72 days is normally the moving average that this stock normally gets to. Right now it's undervalued at $7.15. And since this is my week to invest, I'm going to be putting $50 in, and then I'm going to be checking it out, see what that stock is doing on Sunday. And then we'll be putting more up into it. Next is Kronos Group. CRON. So it closed at $8.21. I got $8.20, but that's fine. So our 50-day moving average is $9.70, and our 72 moving average is $10.24. Next, literally next. So we got 50-day moving average is going to be 218. So it's going to dip again. Then it's going to reach up to about $2.27. But you got to remember, majority of the stocks that you want to invest in, you want to make sure you keep these stocks for 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20 years plus, because that's where the real money is at. So the stocks that you are starting to get invested in, don't look to be a part of the hype. If you want to make money, that can be your goal. You can constantly flip around. But the ultimate goal of being wealthy is holding long-term stocks. So just imagine I hold all these stocks for the next 20 years. These companies grow, and now they stable at $80. So that means I have acquired how many shares that I get. Let's just say one share for every company. Imagine. But guess what? We was new to the game, and we was kind of, we wasn't as confident as we are now. We seen what things has been doing. We kind of young, but did you buy already? Like, I know I'm gonna be buying if tomorrow Dogecoin is still around 30 cents. I'm gonna be buying even more tomorrow. But if it's not around 30 cents, I'm gonna be putting a little bit of money in, so that way I can get used to getting in the cycle. Because a lot of teams, sports team and things like that, they are starting to become acceptable. They are starting accepting payments from Dogecoin, and that's one of the coolest things right there. Dogecoin might be looked as a joke, but companies are starting to appreciate Dogecoin, and they'll rather get that. So Dogecoin is gonna reach $1, and once it goes past $1, it's gonna be over. So I would just say, go on and keep buying Dogecoin. Go on and keep buying. SLGG. And like I said, yeah, we still new into investing. We still 1 year in, but the greatest thing on our side, we're a little bit more confident now. $6. 72 is $5.25. So that means I can sell at $6, or I can just probably wait until it get $5.25, and once it get $5.25, I can load up on $5.25. Let it keep coming down, and not invest in this stock until it reach $5.25. However long it needs to wait, or I can just keep investing now, and my share ratio, it probably just gonna trickle down, but that's bi-weekly. I'm accumulating the share every point. But I'm looking at the long haul, digital gaming. We've seen what the pandemic has done with DraftKings and things like that. Investing in coffee is good for a long term. What's a good coffee stock? Let me know. I don't know any good coffee stocks. Uh, 50 is $3.24. Starbucks is a starter. Okay. I guess I did know a Starbucks. I guess I did know a coffee company. My bad. Starbucks. Would Dunkin' Donuts be considered coffee? Or yeah, those only two I know. Who is Starbucks in competition with? GTT. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know that, though. Thank you for reminding me that I did know a coffee company, because I really didn't think I knew a coffee company. But I didn't want to take all y'all time in this video either. But what I did was take 6 of my stocks that I'm invested in, looked at the price that they closed at today, and I'll use stock charts to evaluate what is the stock going to be doing the next 50 days and the next 72 days, or what's the average. It might not reach this, but it might get close to it. And if it's in the positive, like if these two numbers are bigger than this number, I have a choice to either not buy that week or take some profits and keep, 80% in and take 20% off, or I can just let it reach this threshold and not buy and wait for another dip. That means once it get anywhere between these two, and if it say it reaches either one of these, but it say if it go down 10, 30, 25%, I buy again, because I know this is my highs. This is my average. Let's say for this stock, this $2.34 is dip. These are dips. This the average. It's high right now. So once it reach these two, I'm gonna be buying on the dip. So once it reach 218, buy a lot of more. Once it reach $2.27, buy a lot more. Same thing with SLGG. Once it reached $6, I know I made some profit, 20 cent profit, 20 cents profit, but it's still good profit. But say if it go down to $5.25, buy a lot more. I still got profits there. I still got profits there. So in these two stocks, these are long-term stocks anyway. So as it goes down, I want to buy more. From last year to now. From last year to now. Last year to now. Okay, what did that reference? What did I say? Yes. Okay. Yes. These are my averages from last year to now. These are the 50-day moving average from everything calculated from 1 year ago. Thank you for that. Yes. From last year, these are all the 70, 72 and 50-day moving averages from last year. Thank you for that. I knew I was going to know what that was, but I just didn't quite. It had to click. It had to click. But these are just some. And I got this. So I guess we probably going to do the rest Friday. So I don't be leaving y'all handed. And I don't want to be on here for too long because live take too long to update. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to just get on here and talk about how to buy stocks and how to buy on the dip. But you go to everything that you will need to know will be in the description down below. And I would just say thank y'all for joining this live. Y'all enjoy y'all evening, enjoy y'all morning, enjoy y'all night. Chase Wares out. Peace.